Are your Google Widevine apps crashing due to the Widevine Content Decryption Module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. As we prepare the manual solution for Widevine Content Decryption Module, feel free to use the suggested utility for comprehensive system maintenance. This is the Widevine Content Decryption Module. The Widevine Content Decryption Module, CDM, used by Chromium-based browsers, Chrome, Edge, to handle hardware-accelerated playback of DRM-protected video. It manages the secure handshake with streaming servers like Netflix or Disney+. If missing, browsers will display a protected content error or be restricted to low-resolution playback. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. Widevine CDM acts as a vital connection for Google Widevine operations, and downloading a fresh installer for the program, showing the error is the only way to repair the damaged binaries found in the app folder. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Widevine Content Decryption Module, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry. We have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. To fix persistent errors with integrated libraries, you must ensure a clean file sync, and you should use a dedicated uninstaller to remove the host program along with its registry keys. Following this with a fresh installation of your software components ensures that the DLL file is properly mapped for the host program to run. Why are we doing this? Well, residual registry entries can point the software to the wrong file path, and a complete removal ensures that the new installation is correctly indexed by the operating system. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Remember that Widevine Content Decryption Module DLL operates within a complex software ecosystem. Modifying it manually without updating its linked dependencies can lead to permanent environment errors. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. For users seeking improved system clarity, the diagnostic tool in the description references the Widevine Content Decryption Module environment. To keep Widevine Content Decryption Module running with a stable configuration, subscribe to our channel and like this video to help us reach more users in need of support.